Welcome to the full course online. In this video, I'll show you how to manage notifications on your Android device so you can stay informed without being constantly interrupted. Let's begin with the notification panel, which is the central place where all your notifications appear. Whenever you receive a new message, email, or alert, a small notification icon appears in the status bar at the top of your screen. To view these notifications, simply swipe down from the top edge of the display. This opens the notification panel, where all of your recent notifications are organized in one convenient location. Each notification gives you a quick preview of what's happening. Depending on the app, you might see the sender's name, the beginning of a message, or information about an update. If there are multiple notifications from the same app, Android automatically groups them together to keep the panel clean and organized. You can tap on a group notification to expand it and view each notification individually. Many notifications also support quick actions without opening the app itself. For example, you may be able to archive an email, reply to a message, dismiss a reminder, or control music playback directly from the notification panel. This allows you to complete common tasks much faster without interrupting what you're currently doing. If you no longer need a notification, simply swipe it left or right to remove it from the panel. However, if you want more control over a particular app's notifications, press and hold the notification instead of swiping it away. Android will display options that allow you to turn notifications off for that app, adjust notification settings, or control how future notifications behave. This is one of the quickest ways to reduce unwanted notifications from apps that send too many alerts. You can also manage notifications in greater detail through your phone settings. Open the Settings app and navigate to Notifications or Notification Categories, depending on your device manufacturer. Here you'll see a list of apps along with the different notification categories they support. Many apps allow you to enable or disable specific types of notifications instead of turning everything off completely. For example, a messaging app may let you receive chat messages while disabling promotional notifications, giving you much finer control over what reaches your phone. Notifications are more than just alerts, they're also shortcuts into your apps. Simply tap any notification to open the app that created it. This makes it easy to jump straight to the information that needs your attention. As notifications accumulate throughout the day, your notification panel can become crowded. Fortunately, clearing them is simple. You can remove individual notifications by swiping them away one at a time, or, if you want a completely clean notification panel, tap the Clear All button at the bottom of the screen to dismiss every removable notification at once. This helps keep your notification panel organized and clutter-free. Now let's look at lock screen notifications, which determine what information appears while your phone is locked. Open Settings, then navigate to Lock Screen Notifications. Here you'll find several options that control both the visibility of notifications and the amount of information displayed. If you turn lock screen notifications off, your phone will no longer display notifications while it's locked. This provides maximum privacy because no alerts or message previews will appear until you unlock the device. If you prefer to receive notifications on the lock screen, Android gives you additional privacy controls. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Android tips, tutorials, and hidden features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.